Using your glue gun, attach the felt strips around the brim of the hat. Next, take the flowers and stick them around the brim of the hat. Add a pom-pom to the centre of each flower. Embellish the main section of the bonnet using colourful pom-poms. Pop the foam chicks from their surroundings and using a glue gun, add them to the bonnet. Next, take a pipe cleaner and twist it around your finger to create a spring. Take one of the foam chicks and attach it to the end of the pipe cleaner. Twist the bottom of the pipe cleaner into a base and use the glue gun to stick it firmly to the top of the bonnet. Repeat this twice more using the foam rabbits. Finally, stick some of the green shred to the top of the bonnet to create grass. Your Easter bonnet is now ready to wear. For more Easter inspiration, visit hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.